If you're a tech enthusiast, then you need to see how AI can transform your text into eye-catching videos. Intrigued? Let's get started. Imagine typing out your ideas, and they become a captivating video. It's not magic, it's AI. With text-to-video AI, you can create engaging content in minutes. Simply input your script and the AI handles the rest, selecting images, adding animations, and even syncing sound. Applications? Endless. Marketers can craft compelling ads, educators can make dynamic lessons, and storytellers can bring their tales to life, all with just a few clicks. Plus, it's super user-friendly. No need to be a tech wizard. The AI's intuitive design makes it accessible for everyone. So, whether you're boosting your brand or sharing your passion project, AI text-to-video is your new best mate. Try it out and watch your words come alive. Don't just tell your story, show it. Thanks to AI, the future of video creation is here.